In your global supply chain, you will be working with numerous suppliers, materials, components, and ever-evolving regulations. Imagine having the power to streamline this intricate network to seamlessly connect all the dots. Introducing the ComPASS Premium Platform, your smart supply chain solution. Let's explore the features that make it a game changer in the industry. With ComPASS, you can request new tests with just a few clicks, giving you complete control and efficiency to manage your testing processes and providing additional information to your service provider. Gain real-time insights into the status of your test requests. Know where you stand at every stage, empowering you to make informed decisions swiftly. Monitor and evaluate the performance of your suppliers effortlessly, ensuring a seamless collaboration that meets the highest standards of quality. And the power of ComPASS lies in its flexibility. Tailor the platform to fit your specific needs with module customization, a truly personalized approach to supply chain management. ComPASS is your key to unparalleled efficiency, unlocking substantial time and cost savings. Redefining how you conquer your supply chain challenges with powerful tools like information capture, progress monitoring, automated communication, and performance evaluation. Visit our website to learn more and start your own ComPASS experience today.